So let's break down some of these fantastic fills played by this keyboardist. His name is Isaac Rodriguez. He's actually playing the key of F major. Okay, let's start the breakdown from the beginning. Okay, so he did something like this. You are holy. Okay, something like this. You are holy. Okay, so this is basically 1, 2, 3. That is do re mi. Okay, so we can use this when adding to the one. The next thing he did was this. Okay, that is 5, 2, 5. Then he grades the 2 against the 3. Okay, okay, 5, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so let's proceed. Wow, so you can see what he did. He did like this. Okay, something like that. Okay, so what can we learn from this part? So this first part is use the melody of the song. Okay, and this actually shows that you can actually use the melody of a particular song as an inspiration to create your own feels. Okay, so you're just using the melody and it still makes sense. They just did like this. Are you Lord God? You see that? Okay, so when playing any song, be it worship song or whatever, we can also use the melody of the song as an inspiration to create our own feels. So let me give you an example. Let's say, look at this song. Come and prove you're powerful, powerful today. Come and prove you're powerful. You see that? You see what I did at this part? Okay, powerful today. Okay, I'm using the melody to generate the feels. Okay, so this is something we can pick from this part. We can just use the melody of a song as an inspiration to get the feels, okay, of that particular song. So you can just chip in the melody from time to time into the progression of the song, and it helps you beautify the song. So let's proceed. Okay. So at this particular part, the first feel he did when I was approaching the 4 was something like this. Okay, you see that? Do, re, mi, so, do. Then it landed on the 4th chord. Okay. The second one was this. The melody, okay? What is the lamb? Okay. Then when it was going to the one, he did this. You are holy. Okay, you see that? So these are beautiful feels we can use. Passing notes when adding to the one. You see that? Do, re, mi. Sorry. So, do, re, mi. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's proceed. There are many other beautiful stuffs he did. You heard that? Something like that. Okay. So just basically, this first part, he used the melody line of the song. That is, are you Lord God? Then when it was going to the 5, he did this. Okay, that was the 5, 2, flat 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3. Then he grazed this, the 1 against the 2, before he land on the 5th chord on his left hand. Okay, let's take it again. Okay, so we can use this when adding to the 5. It's very beautiful. Okay, so for example, let's use it in the song Breathe by Minister Dunsin Oyekon. So it goes something like this. Okay, Just breathe your name upon me. Breathe. Just breathe your name up. You see that? Yahweh, Yahweh is your name. Breathe, Lord. Just breathe your name upon me. Breathe. See what I did? You can see what I did when I was approaching the 5. Just breathe your name upon me. Breathe. Just breathe your name. You see that? Okay. Let's proceed. Look at this beautiful stuff he did when I was approaching the 4. Okay. Wow. You see that? So you can see what he did when I was approaching the 4. Something like this. You are. Okay. Something like that. So this is the key part I'm emphasizing here. When I was heading to the 4. Okay. So that's so, do, re, so. So, do, re, so. Then you grace the re and the mi. Okay. Re, mi, do. Okay. So, do, re, so, re, mi, do. Okay. Or 5, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Or 5, 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1. Okay. See that? We can use this when heading to the 4. For example, look at it in the song Emailer by Antonio Bassi. Emailer, Emailer, is there?